Why cook with gas? Many top chefs around the world choose cooking with gas. The best advantage of gas stoves or cooktops is its response speed. Gas ranges provide immediate response when ignited. You can increase or decrease heat really quickly, thus offering you better control over the cooking. Households that use domestic gas save more in the long run as compared to those who use electricity for the same. The production and use of gas products is far more efficient and environment-friendly than other sources. Gas stoves usually last longer, up to 10 years as compared to its counterparts. You can easily apply for a gas connection in 4 easy steps. First, visit one of our branch offices. Submit the required documents like your Emirates ID or passport, along with a copy of your tenancy contract or owner certificate. Sign the gas contract, and next, pay the registrations fee and deposit. Within 24 hours, our representative will visit you to activate your gas connection and provide you with a short safety training. Our customers have multiple payment options for their gas bills. Online through our website, by bank transfer, through payment kiosks, through the customer service desks, through collectors as a special request. Call us today on 600-565657 or visit www.sergas.com to know more.